All right, so we just got this. It's a 50 PSI high pressure SUP air pump. So let's go ahead and we'll unbox it. Check it out. See what we got. Kind of excited because I do have a SUP. Looks interesting so far. Gotta get it out of its prophylactic. I don't know why they put them in here. So basically this is it here. Let's get that thing on. All right, so that's that. And this is, I think, like a handle, I guess, to carry it. I could be wrong. Now we've just got to, let's take a look and see what we got going on here. All right, so that's that. Okay, that's the body of it. Let's set it down here. See what else is in here. What accessories? Oh, okay. So this is what's inside. There's the pump hose. It has a number of different type of ends which you can use. I don't see any cabrina ends on it, though. I'm going to need a cabrina end for my kite board and my my wing. But I believe these will probably go into these ports here. You see what I mean? Yeah. All right, let's set that down. And then we've got this, which you'd use for, I guess, your bicycle, because that's, or maybe, your bicycle. This is for bicycle. And it looks like this is a charger for your cigarette lighter in your car. So that's interesting. And what else have we got? We've got some different heads and a couple of fuses. And there's a bag to put it in. And of course, instructions. So we may need to read these. But until then, we'll keep everything in here. I'm a little disappointed that there's not a way to charge it with a block, that we have to use this. You would think that we would have a way to plug it, just plug it into the wall to charge it, but apparently we don't. We got to plug it into a car later, which doesn't make a lot of sense. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the 50 PSI high pressure SUP air pump. All right, if you like this video, wait until I blow up a inflatable paddleboard with it. Peace out.